Hey guys, welcome to Danish and Nadia Lifestyle, and in this video I'll be showing you the installation process of these Bluetooth intercom headset device in my helmet. I have already removed the paddings from the helmets, so I'll just show you how to fix the speaker inside the helmet and how to fix the mic and everything. So let's start with the process. So what we are gonna do is that we'll put the device on the left hand side of the helmet, because our right hand side is always used for the accelerator. So if we keep the device on the left hand side of the helmet, it will be easy for us to operate. So I have fixed this mount on the left side of the helmet, as you can see. So it's on the left side, and this device, it has two speakers and the microphone. So what I'm gonna do is that keep the speaker which has a shorter wire closer to the mount, and put the other speaker with the longer wire on the other side, that is the right side, and the wires will be going from one side to another under the paddings. Fix this permanently because I am planning to change my helmet in the upcoming days. So what I'm gonna do is just that put the speakers simply on the area and not gonna fix it with the sticker permanently. I am done with setting the device into my helmet. If you can see, the speakers are inside here. Wiring has been done under the padding, and the microphone is over here. So here is what the helmet is looking like right now, with the device over here, and this wire will be always sticking out, so it might be annoying if you're not using the device. So what you can do is you can put the wire inside wearing the helmet. So when you're riding, you know where the buttons are. It is on the left hand side, and if you're using your right hand for accelerating or anything, you can just simply use with your left hand. So it's easy to operate this way. There are two helmets with two devices all set. So I'll show you how we can pair the devices. You need to press this button and keep pressing. You'll need to hold for about 5 to 7 seconds, and blue light will turn on. So now when there is blue and red light, this is in the pairing mode. So if you just simply press in one of these, the devices will get paired up. So it has now paired up. So you can easily use your devices or communicate. Same way you can pair up your mobile phone as well. When the device will be in the pairing mode, all you need to do is just turn on the Bluetooth from your phone, and there will be an option which says motor phone. So you just need to press and just select pair. So it has been now paired up with my phone, and these two devices are paired together. So when you are riding, you can easily communicate with the other rider on the other bike, and as well your phone will be connected to your device. So you can receive calls or make phone calls. If your internet is active, that is, if you're using your mobile data, you can easily press this button and ask Google to call any of the contact numbers saved in your phone. So this is very handy feature of this device. And if you're using Google Maps, the navigation system voice will be in your speaker, so you'll be able to listen to the navigation system inside your helmet, and you can also listen to your songs. I don't know if you can hear the... So I must say that this is a very good quality device compared to its price range, and it is giving a good service. I have used this while riding in rain and as well as temperatures up to 38 degrees Celsius. So it works really well, and the sound quality is good, but when the distance is more than 600 meters, there are some distortions. So well, then again, compared to its price, it is good enough. So in the next video, I'll try to do a sound quality and range check test. So this will allow you to better understand how the sound quality is over certain distances. So yeah, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video or if you find this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.